Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, you guys heard my voice. So I'm back here, and if you are new, welcome back to the channel. Guys, thank you so much for subscribing. Finally we are at 600 subscribers and I couldn't be much happier. So today we are doing a nude look, and I'm priming my client's face with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer, and I'm applying her foundation. She has no hyperpigmentation. She has a smooth face, clear skin, just that she's hairy on her skin. So I'm going in and I've blended out beautifully the foundation. I'm using Zekiel foundation. So I'm coming to do my highlights now, and I'm using the Zekiel HD concealer, and also I'm using LA Girl just to give it a warm undertone, because as you can see the Zekiel was very light, so I added a little bit of LA Girl in chestnut too, so it is blended beautifully into her skin. So now I'm setting her face using Sacha Buttercup. I'm setting the highlight I have done. I want the highlight to show that I have done a highlight. That's why we set it with a powder to keep it dry and so I can show at the end. So that's why we do that. So I'm highlighting every place where I put the concealer, and I'm cutting my contour with the Sacha Buttercup. I miss you guys so much. So this is like a mini brow tutorial for those of you who don't know how to draw their brows, or you haven't seen me draw brows. So this is how I draw my brows, just light strokes at the top and beneath the person's natural brows. I don't do too much, because we are going for a natural look, so you don't need to do anything so much, you understand? So after this I'm going to conceal it as well. And I really want to say thank you to you guys for your support, constant support. It means a lot to me, and I'm so glad that I chose this passion, and I don't regret it at all. I really don't regret it. So now I'm concealing her brows now, and I'm using LA Girl concealer to do that. And someone will ask me why I do my foundation, my highlights and everything. For one, it goes faster for me, and it was a new trick I learned from one of my favorite makeup artists. She's called Beautician Chick. So that's how she does her routine, and I think it's way faster and it's great. So now I'm contouring her face, and I'm using the Zekiel. So since it's a nude look, I didn't really go in much with a deeper contour shade, just so she wanted a natural look, so I had to go all the way down, all the way natural. So I'm contouring her nose now, still using the Zekiel. And you have to work on your client's under eyes, because it's very important, because they keep looking down at everything you are doing. So when you don't fix the under eye, you see that it gets smudges and there are creases in it, so we don't want that to happen to us. And I'm going to dust the powder off, so that's why I put the cape around her neck. And I'm using the Flawless Ivy foundation, Flawless Ivy powder palette to do that, to clean or to powder her face. So yeah, nude look on the go. And I'm using Zekiel. I've fallen in love with Zekiel so much, guys. I've fallen in love with Zekiel. It's the bomb. It's amazing. Now my target is going to be the Juvia's Place foundation. So you guys should book me so I can get money to buy that one. Okay. So now I am doing her under eyes, and for her eyeshadow I used Morphe palette 25C to get the eyeshadow. So I'm going all nude, and I'm winging it. I'm winging. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. You guys should share this video, You guys should comment your favorite part of this look, and you guys should let me know in my DMs on Instagram at Glam by Cheryl what you think of my makeup looks. And yeah, I can't wait to work with some of you. I can't wait. So we are fixing the lashes now, and these lashes are from XOXO Rosé, the Mintress lash palette. That's what I'm using. I took one of them and I used it. My clients likes to talk, you know. When you're my client, I make you my friend as well. So we have a nice chat just to make you feel comfortable. So now I'm blushing her cheeks, and I'm doing it very, very subtly. You see, like there's no makeup, no makeup look. You get it? So sometimes you need to ask what your client wants, and you give them exactly what they want. So right now, yeah, I'm using the Forever Lip Rouge palette, and let's see how that turns out. I'm back again. So we ended up doing a two-color look, a two-color lip look. Yes, wine at the top lip and then pink on the bottom lip. So I'm making sure everything has blended out well. Yeah, so my no makeup look for my client is ready. It's ready. So on a scale of on a scale of 50 to 100, you guys rate me. 50 being the lowest. Okay, let's make it 1 to 100. Where will you guys rate me? Because I really want to know how much you guys love this look, and if we should recreate it. If you can't recreate, if you're a makeup artist and you can't recreate this look, I'll be very glad. I'll be very, 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 very glad. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in.
Hello lovies, I passed by today to have my makeup done. I love it so much, and this is Glam by Cheryl. I just can't get over this look. It's amazing. So please subscribe, watch, like, and share. Thank you.